Hello and welcome to Sounds English with me, Betty. I'm a writer and a vocal coach from England, and here I will explain common words and phrases used in everyday English, what they mean in context, pronunciation, and how to use them. Join me every day and build your English one word or phrase at a time. No grammar lessons, just learn English like the English, by listening. The word or phrase of today is upright. 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 Upright is a lovely word. Literally, it means something or someone who is standing up straight. In the case of the plants that were labelled upright, it means that they will grow straight up, upright, as opposed to opposite, growing down, which would be trailing, or something like an ivy, which would grow across the ground like a creeper. So upright plants grow straight up, tall. This is upright, trailing, grows up, grows down. If you are sitting upright, you are sitting with a straight back, straight up. Not relaxed, but upright. Metaphorically, if you are describing a person's character, you can call them an upright person or an upright citizen, which means that they are honourable and moral and a good, honest person. They are upright. Upright. Repeat. Upright. Repeat. Upright. Repeat. Upright. Upright. The stress is on the up with a flat and the I is high. Upright. Upright. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow for another fabulous English word. How to say it and how to use it. Thank you. Bye-bye.